Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 7. Today we are going to discuss about the shadows. So in CSS you can add your shadows for your properties and also for your text. So we have two types of shadows like text shadows and also the box shadow. We will discuss about the box shadow, but for now I'm going to explain the text shadow. So what happens if you want to add the shadow in your text? So wait a few seconds, we are going to explain. So in the last section we have discussed about the gradients, that how can you use two backgrounds color in a single element or in a single div. Okay, since we are working on CSS 3 series and this is the JetBrains tool, which is the PHP Storm, I am using this one. If you are using any IDE like Sublime, Notepad++, it's up to you. Okay, now I am going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. First of all, for CSS as well, and now I'm saying I'm going to define the h2. I'm saying here is my text. Now go to the page, refresh the page, make sure open this file. Okay, now as you can see, this is the h2. So what happens if you need the shadow? So for the text shadow, we are saying that this is the h2. I am calling the HTML tag. I am saying text shadow. So this is the text shadow. I am saying 2 pixel and 2 pixel. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, we are adding the shadow here. Let's suppose I am saying add the olive shadow. So this is the shadow we are using. Why we are using 2 pixel and 2 pixel? So this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So now if I say 1 and 2, so as you can see, it's fine. If I say add as well this one, so this is fine. 1 pixel, 1 pixel. So if you add the blur for your text, then you have to pass 4 pixel. So as you can see, now it's showing you the blur. Let's suppose I am saying 2 pixel, so it's showing you the blur effect. Okay guys, so in this way you can add the shadow in your text. So I hope guys you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.